doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we have the Fruit for Thought box for October. I'm super excited. If I can recall correctly, I think the theme has coffee in it. I can't remember, there's like two parts. So Fruit for Thought is super cute. I've only just recently started receiving it. So it has like a fruit or vegetable theme each month, and it's all like lifestyle products. You get like some snacks, some home stuff, some bath stuff, just a mix of products that all have to do with the theme. And I just love theme boxes. And last month's box was so cute. It was peanut butter and banana. Oh my god, you guys, the treats that came in that were so good. That box was just amazing. So they offer both like a mini and a full-size box. So I'm gonna link them down below. I'll leave all the pricing information. I think I have a promo code as well, so that will all be down below. Also down below will be all of my giveaways I have going on. I swear October is like giveaway month. But if you missed any of those, they're all down below. There should be 4 active giveaways on the day I'm posting this, including the ABH and Carly Bible palette, and then some makeup in my Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Ultimate, as well as a sunglasses giveaway. So definitely check those out down below and get more information on the box. But let's get into the unboxing. I can't wait to see what we received. When I open up the box, this is what I see. So there's a card, and then it's so cutely wrapped. I actually saved that like fruit ribbon that comes around the wrapping. So cute. Oh, and I did recall half of it correct. So October theme is coffee and apple pie. I actually have a coffee in front of me right now. It's kind of late in the day, but I'm trying to get some videos done, and I've got some pumpkin spice coffee. So good. Glad it reminded me to take a sip. Ooh, and there's a sneak peek for what November's theme is, grapefruit mints. But on the back of this box, it talks about what comes inside. So that is good to know. And it says what's in the full size and what's in the mini box. So it looks like everything in here. So I do have the full size, by the way, if I didn't make that clear, the regular full size box. And it looks like in the mini box, you get everything but 2 items. So I'll let you know what items don't come in that box. But let's get this open. So cute. I'm so excited. Oh my god, the first thing I just grabbed is so cute. These are Sniff It scented paper clips in mocha. Okay, have you ever seen anything cuter than that? Oh my god, that's hilarious. Scented paper clips? Never ever heard of this. That is so funny. So this will be in all of the boxes. We gotta smell one. Let's get this open. Oh my god, they're just so cute. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like coffee. Oh, and there's like a boy and a girl, like coffee bean, like look, she's got, oh! Okay, well I dropped him, but I didn't drop the girl with the little bow. These are seriously, like, how cute is that? That's like the funniest concept. I would never have thought about having scented paper clips, but now I have some. Yes, I love room and linen sprays. This is by Salted Rock. This is apple pie room and linen spray. Yes, this is 4 ounces. This is pretty big. So this is not in the mini box. This is only in the full-size box. And it says, it wouldn't be fall without the scent of warm apple pie. Your room will smell like a fresh baked apple pie, complete with Granny Smith apples, brown sugar, and cinnamon. We gotta try this out. Oh my god. It smells so good. I didn't even have to like do this, you know, just instantly like, God, this is making me want some apple pie. This is so perfect for fall. I love this. I'm gonna use this all the time. Next up is something by Scrub It, New Hampshire, caffeinated under eye balm. Wow, it looks like a mini deodorant stick. I've never had an eye balm like this before. So it says, help for under eye puffiness and inflammation. Comes your way with this adorable roll-on made from fair trade ground coffee beans, and this is in all the boxes. So you just like roll it up. It is seriously just like a balm. So you just do it on your eyes. It doesn't have too much of a scent. So interesting. I've never seen an eye cream like applicator like that. I'm just putting some on my hand right now, and it feels really nice. So. And caffeine can help with my under eye bag, so I'm definitely going to use this. And if you're curious, it looks like It's made from coconut oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, shea butter, grapeseed oil, arrowroot powder, fair trade organic coffee beans, and for directions, apply under the eye up to 2 times a day. Be careful not to apply to the eye itself, not for oral consumption. Discontinue if irritation occurs. Awesome. So I love that we get stuff from like smaller, like, you know, local companies and stuff like that. That is great. Okay, next up is something by Blue Heron Farm. Farm Fresh Goat Milk Bath Products. Homemade Apple Pie Goat Milk Lotion. And I love that this is a mini. I've mentioned this before in my videos, but I love getting smaller lotions because I love to keep them in my bag because I can't handle having dry hands. And you know, when you're out and about and you like wash your hands in a public restroom, that soap is harsh and you need it. So awesome. And this is in all of the boxes. This luxurious apple pie scented goat's milk lotion comes freshly made from the farm. That's so cool. Let's put some on. Oh, now everything smells like apple pie in here. Love it. Oh man, do we have some socks? Some coffee socks? Sweet. And I love that they're like ankle socks too. Oh, I just dropped a little squiggly thing in my coffee, like one of these, but that's okay. I'm still gonna drink it. Friday Sock Co. Egyptian combed cotton, women's 5 to 10. Oh my god, I am so excited about this. So one has the coffee on it, and one has coffee beans. So they're like, it says on here, purposefully mismatched. I love these so much, and I need more socks like this. Like, you can wear these under your booties if it's fall. I'm going to New York soon, so I was like, oh my god, I need socks because I don't really wear them in Florida because it's so hot. I just wear sandals. And also with my gym shoes and stuff, or just around the house during the fall weather. These are so cute. Let's see, and these are in all of the boxes, so awesome. Next up is by Studio Pop an apple pie pin. How cute. So this is only in the full size box. And it says the star of the box is this adorable enamel apple pie pin complete with glitter, custom designed for us. Oh cool, it's custom design. This is so cute. And people love pins. I'm sure so many people are excited to get it. And like me. Ooh, what is this? Baked apple pie fragrance sachet. Ooh, yummy apple. Apples are so delicious. It says that on here. Oh, so this is a sachet that you like can put in your drawers. So it says recommended uses, closets and drawers, bath and bedroom, kitchen, around the home. Autos you can place on a seat, pet rooms and trash areas, laundry, diaper and storage areas, dorm rooms, lockers, gym bags, vacuum freshener, gift baskets, floral arrangements. Be creative. How to use. Place a scented sachet anywhere you would like to enjoy the enhancement of fragrance. Nice. So this is not in the mini box as well. So these two items are not in the mini, but everything else is. Oh, okay, and this. So these two kind of like go together. These are by the same. So these 3 things are in the full box only. Sorry if that was confusing. I guess they grouped the 2 scented apple products. Like, this packaging is so cute, isn't it? So when you open it, let's see what it looks like. I almost don't want to open this packaging and discard it because it's so pretty. Oh shoot, this was the actual sachet. You weren't supposed to open it. Because it's just, I messed that up. So now everyone else knows. So I'm just gonna seal this myself. It still has the sticky thing, and just be careful. So yeah, don't open it. This was the actual bag. Oops. Maybe I need another sip of that coffee. Ooh, and now we have a treat. This is by Natural Bear Baked Crunchy Cinnamon Apple Chips. Yum. And I'm looking at the bag. It says real apples baked till they're craveably crunchy. It only has 60 calories. Nice. That sounds so good. And then we have some cowtails. I have not had a cowtail since I was a young child. And they're in caramel apple flavored. I don't know if I've ever had that. That sounds so good. Oh my god, you guys, I seriously can't remember last time. It has to have been like 20 years ago. That's crazy. And that was everything that's in the box. I can't believe I opened. Don't do what I did, people, but it's okay. No wonder it's too cute. I'm like, I don't want to ruin the packaging. So I was thinking it was just like in a little bag inside of here, but it's okay. I was actually able to like fold it over and it seems like it's kind of closed. Maybe I'll keep it in my closet right here. I have a closet in my filming room so I can just smell this all the time. But I think this box was so cute, you guys. Oh my god. So we have this, the cowtails. I'm really tempted to eat one like right now. Apple pin, this yummy apple pie room spray and linen spray. We have a caffeinated under eye balm, which I'm really curious about. This homemade apple pie goat milk lotion, which I really like. And we have these coffee socks. Love them. This is still like so cute and hilarious to me. They keep dropping. With these little scented like paper clips that are like the cutest paper clips I've ever seen in my life. Did I show you this again? But yeah, this is all just so cute. I love the themes. And again, it says for November, the theme is grapefruit mint. So awesome. Can't wait for that. But yeah, awesome. I'm gonna go probably eat a cowtail now. But again, I'm gonna leave all the information down below along with my giveaways and all of that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so much. Hope you're having a good day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.